Hello there, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. In this particular video, what we're going to be doing is showing you how to create a thumbnail to put onto your YouTube video. So, first thing I'm going to do is use Adobe Photoshop. So I'm going to use CS 5.1. First and foremost, File and New here. Now here, this pop-up box here, all you need to do is make sure that the preset is set to custom and the width is actually, I've got this wrong, it should be 1280. The height indeed is, if I just double check, is 720 pixels wide. Ensure that the resolution is 300 pixels inch, RGB color 8-bit, and the background contents are white if you want to have a white background, but you can also change it to have a transparent background or a specific different color. So click on OK once you're happy, and there it is. That is my background canvas. I'm going to add some text. So on the left side with my toolbox, I'm going to click on the T tool. I'm going to draw a box, and I'm going to start adding some text. So what I'm going to do is add some text that says YouTube. Highlight it at the top where the color rectangle is here, color box. Click on it. Change the color to red, and that's my title there for this video, YouTube. I can change the title here, choose another type of font, but I'm going to keep the font as it is. I'm going to enlarge the size of my font here, click on the arrow and then move it here. I'm going to add a stroke to my text, so I'm going to click on the layer the text is on, right click, blending options here, click on the pop-up box here. I'm going to choose or click on the checkbox where it says stroke there, so it's got a nice outline to my text which says YouTube. I can minimize the stroke by clicking the word stroke and moving this scroll bar to the left to minimize the amount of outline I have. Click on OK once I'm happy. Now I'm happy with that. I need to add some more text to say what this video is about. Actually, before I do anything else, I'm going to change the size of the writing to a different color. How to create a thumbnail. Okay, so obviously what's missing from there is the word thumbnail. So how to create a thumbnail. Same sort of way, highlight the writing there. Make sure there's no spaces, change the color of my writing to white. There's a reason why I'm going to change it to white here. Then here on the layer, right click on the layer, blending options again. I'm going to add another stroke. This time the stroke, same sort of way, it's going to have the same sort of outline as my YouTube title. Just go back to T tool again. So I'm not happy with the color, go back to the color, choose white, and there we have it. How to create a thumbnail. Go back to Google Chrome, do a search for YouTube icon. There we go. Click on images, scroll down, choose the one you want, one that probably stands out the most. I might go for this one here. Okay, so click on it, click on view image, that will enlarge the image. Right click on the image, click on copy image, go back to Photoshop again, make sure the arrow is clicked on the top left hand corner, go to edit and then paste. Now once we've pasted that image onto the canvas, you notice on the right side it's on a new layer here. What we need to do is change the size of that image. So edit, transform and then scale. Okay, we'll add an outline to the image, and then what you can do with your mouse or the cursor is drag that image so it fits the whole size of my canvas. Double click on it once you're happy with the size. Now you will also notice that the text is behind my image, so what I want to do is highlight the image on the layer section and drag it so it's below both text. Now my YouTube thumbnail icon looks a bit out of sorts because I've got the title YouTube, but I also got YouTube at the top. So what I'm going to do, hide my writing by clicking on the eye icon here. So I've got the YouTube title, but then I've got my title there. So what I'm going to do is click on my title, so it's on, highlight it all, change the size so it's smaller, maybe just slightly bigger here. I want to do it so it fits all on one line. There's a reason why I'm doing it this way. Go back 24, yeah, I'll be happy with that, and put that here. So that's my unique icon for YouTube. Actually, I'm going to do some more changes. I'm going to move this picture to the top. There's a reason why I'm doing this. Okay, make this canvas bigger. There we go. Just widen it slightly. Just drag it up again. Okay, I don't want to affect the aspect ratio of my canvas. Click on the arrow, apply my transformation, go back to the text tool, move that up a bit. Now what I'm going to do is try and put that onto 2 lines. Center align it at the top here, change the size of it to make it bigger, and just to see whether this is going to work. Click on the arrow. There we have it. I'm not too bothered. That is just, you know, over the title YouTube, but that's a good start as it is. And there we have it. Then you just save it, file, save as. I'm going to save it as a JPEG this time because that's what YouTube likes. And the file name I'm going to give it YouTube thumbnail. Click on save and just click on OK there. And there you have it. I hope this has been helpful. That was a video showing you how to create a quick YouTube thumbnail to put onto your YouTube video later on. Please like, subscribe and share.